where we dive into the world of financial management. If you find this content helpful, please like the video and subscribe to my channel for regular updates. Let's simplify complex finance concept together. Question is, an investor is said to receive $1,000 at the end of each year for 8 years. If annual interest rate is 5%, calculate the present value annuity factor. Use the PVAF to determine the present value of annuity. Step 1 is to compute computation of PVAF, that is present value annuity factor for regular annuity. Formula to compute PVAF for regular annuity is 1 divided by r raised to n minus 1 divided by r raised to n into 1 divided by 1 plus r raised to n into t r equals interest rate equals 5% per annum, n equals number of compounding per annum equals 1, as it is annual compounding. T equals number of years equal 8. Math index PVF equals 1 divided by 5% divided by 1 minus 1 divided by 5% divided by 1 into 1 divided by 1 plus 5% divided by 1 raised to 1 into 8. For answer, we will copy this content and paste here. So the present value annuity factor for regular annuity is 6.463212,759. PVAF for regular annuity equals. Now we will solve for step 2. Step 2 is step 2, computation of present value of annuity of $1,000 at the end of each year for 8 years. Present value of annuity Present value of annuity of $1,000 at the end of each year for 8 years equals present value annuity factor into annuity. PVAF equals PVAF equals 6.46321275942626 as solved in last step. Annuity equals $1,000 at the end of each year. Math in text. Present value of annuity of $1,000 at the end of each year for 8 years equals PVF, which is 6.46321275942626 into 1000. The final answer is $6,463.21. Present value of annuity of $1,000 at the end of each year for 8 years equals $6,463.21.